Sausage is all chopped up and in the bottom of the greased up 8x8 casserole dish here. Now y'all, I like a little sweetness in my casserole, so we're adding a little pure maple syrup in there. Just a little drizzle over the sausage. Don't go crazy with it, you just want a little hint of sweetness in there. We have some Southwestern style hash browns gonna go in. All right. So this is one 20-ounce bag. Smooth it on out. With our awesome egg mixture in there, we're gonna kind of push it down and help it along. I have 8 eggs here already scrambled up. You guys can use more, you can use less if you want, but I find 8 usually works pretty well. I'm gonna go in with a half a cup of whipping cream, heavy cream. Get that stirred up real quick. Get a nice creamy texture with your eggs for this beautiful, amazingly easy breakfast casserole that your whole family's gonna love, trust me on that. Now, we're going old school with the seasoning. Got a little of that Lowry's. Everybody's got a little Lowry's in their cabinet, right? So let's get about a half a tablespoon or so, give or take. Season with your heart, guys. It's up to you. I always want to season my food. Okay, nice and mixed up and ready to go on top of our casserole real quick. Here's our egg mix going in. Good. This casserole is perfect for a meal prep kind of thing. You could cut off slices, freeze them, and then microwave them for the day. Or just have it as your dinner. So we got all that egg going through there. All right. Okay, we'll smooth it out. Everybody's got some eggs going through, right? And it's okay that some of the sausage worked its way up. That's what happens. All right. A little bit more of that Lowry's on top, little Mike Lowry. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of this Colby Jack shredded cheese just over the top. Put a couple handfuls over the top. And this cheese is gonna get so golden brown and lovely. Mix it around. It's probably a cup or two if you're looking for a measurement, but when it comes to these casseroles, a lot of times you just kind of measure with your heart, right? You know, you like it cheesy, make it cheesy, baby. Guys, our awesome breakfast casserole is ready to go in the oven. We got it on 350, and we're gonna do it for about 30 to 40 minutes. You just wanna make sure that egg is cooked all the way through, right? This is gonna be amazing. I'll see you in a second. Y'all look at that bubbly goodness right there, golden brown and delicious. Let's get it out and let it rest. Guys, we're out of the oven, but you gotta let it cool down. This thing is molten lava right now, but God, is it gorgeous. I can't wait to slice into this thing. Guys, it is time. We've let this cool off actually quite a bit. So let's get it cut. What do you say? We're going for a big piece. Your boy's hungry. Let's slide that knife around the outside. Round the outside, round the outside. Come on, get under. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. Yo, we gotta get a bite of this breakfast sausage casserole. Like I said, too easy. It's perfect for meal prep. This is obviously a very big square, but you could portion it out a little bit better, but I wanted a big old bite. So here you go. It's a little warm, it's all right. Using those Southwestern flavored potatoes will really take it up a notch. You should really give them a try if you can find them. If not, seasoning works just fine. Sausage in there, savory. I could still taste a little of that sweet of that maple syrup, right? Cheesy, potatoey, eggy goodness. Perfect breakfast casserole. Give it a try, because you know it's good, baby.